Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you two methods to extrude in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, you need to create here an empty file, and after that you need to click on create body on the left panel. Then you need to select here create sketch, and now you need to select this one option XY plane, base plane. Then I click OK button, and here we need to draw a shape that we want to extrude. So for example, I click on this one icon and I select here create circle by center. Now I draw here a simple circle, maybe something like that. I click somewhere here to create it, and now you need to click close button, and you need to change mode from part design to part. So I select it, and then we need to click on this one option. It will let us to extrude a selected sketch. And then on length settings on along field, we need to type a specific value. For example, I type here 15 millimeters, and then I click apply button. After that, this shape will be successfully extruded. So now we can click close. So it was the first method. So if you want to use another method, you need to create a new file again, and then you need to go to create body. Then you need to select create sketch, and now you need to select XY plane again. Then you click OK button, and now you need to draw here a simple shape. So for example, I select here create circle by center, and then I draw here a simple circle, maybe something like that. I click somewhere here, and now you need to click on close, and you need to select here pad. Then it will be successfully created here. And now if you will select here dimensions on length settings, you can control this value. So for example, I will type here 15th, and I click OK button, and how you see, it really works. So in this way you can extrude objects in FreeCAD. If I helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.